This is the question asked in 2024 exam. Question is, a bag contains 8 balls, black and white. Black and white means out of these 8 balls, some balls are of black color and some are of white color. If 4 balls are chosen without replacement means when we draw one ball, then without putting it back into the bag, we draw second ball. Again, without putting it back in the bag, we draw third ball. In this way, we draw ball. If 4 balls are chosen without replacement, then 2 white, this is white, 2 white and 2 black are found. Then the probability that number of white and black balls are same in the bag means the bag containing these 8 balls, out of which some are black and some are white. We have to find the probability that out of these 8 balls, 4 are black and 4 are white. When 2 white and 2 black has already come out of the bag. When we draw 4 balls and event that 2 white and 2 black come out of the bag, then we have to find the probability that initially bag was containing 4 black and 4 white balls. It is obvious that out of these 8 balls, 2 are black, at least 2 are black and at least 2 are white and at least 2 are black. Number of white can be more than 2 or exactly 2. Number of black can be more than 2 or exactly 2. When bag contain total 8 balls, out of which at least 2 are black and 2 are white, then there are these 5 possibilities that bag contain 2 black, 6 white, 3 black, 5 white, 4 black, 4 white, 5 black, 3 white, 6 black, 2 white. Suppose situation of balls in the bag is like this, is denoted by A1. If situation of ball in the bag is 3 black, 5 white, then this situation is denoted by A2. Similarly, A3, A4, A5. Now we let that A is the event of coming 2 black and 2 white balls when 4 balls are drawn at random out of the bag. Conditional probability of A when A1 has occurred. That means when situation is like this, that means bag contain 2 black, 6 white, then probability of drawing 2 black and 2 white balls out of this bag will be equal to 2C2, 2 black, 2C2, 2 white out of 6 white, 6C2. But when 4 balls are drawn at random, any combination of 4 balls can come out. Therefore, number of sample space will be 8C4. Similarly, probability of A by A2 will be equal to 3C2 times 5C2 by 8C4. Similarly, probability of A by A3, when situation of ball in the bag is like this, then probability of occurring A will be 4C2 times 4C2 by 8C4, and probability of A by A4 will be equal to this. Probability of A by A5 will be equal to this. When we know nothing about exact situation of the balls in the bag, only knows this, that there are in all 8 balls either of black color or of white color, but this contain at least 2 black and at least 2 white balls, then we assume that possibility of each situation are equally likely. Possibilities of each situation are equally likely. Since there are 5 possible cases, that means number of sample space are 5. Out of this, probability of this event, that means occurring A1, that means situation of balls in the bag is as it appears in this bag will be equal to probability of A1 1 by 5. Similarly, probability of A2 1 by 5. Probability of A3 1 by 5. Probability of A4 1 by 5. Probability of A5 1 by 5. This is Bayes' theorem. Probability of A3 by A, that means conditional probability of A3 when A has occurred. That means probability that when A has occurred, then probability that situation of balls in the bag was like this, equal number of black and white. That means situation of ball in the bag is as in the situation A3. Probability of A3 by A. From Bayes' theorem, probability of A3 by A will be equal to this. Probability of A3 is equal to 1 by 5. Probability of A1 is 1 by 5. Each probability of each situation is 1 by 5. 1 by 5, 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 1 by 5. A by A3. A by A3. When situation is like this, then drawing 2 black, 2 white, 4C2 times 4C2 by 8C4. Similarly, probability of A by A1, when situation is this, then drawing 2 black, 2 white, 2C2 times 6C2 by 8C4. Similarly, we have written probability of A by A2, probability of A by A3, A by A4, probability of A by A5. This implies probability of A3 by A is equal to this, that is equal to 6 times 6 by this, that is equal to 36 by 126, that is equal to 2 by 7.